welcome back to the channel. Today I will show you a quick and easy way to back up your contacts on Gmail. Let's get started. First, open your Gmail account in your web browser. Then click on Google Earth icon at the top right corner and select Contacts from the drop-down menu. Once you are in Gmail contacts, click More buttons represented by 3 dots on the left sidebar. Then select Export. From the drop-down menu, you will see options to export your contacts. Choose the format you prefer, such as Google CSV, Outlook CSV, or VCard. So we'll just leave it at Google CSV. And after selecting the format, click on Export button. Your contacts will be downloaded to your computer as a CSV file, and there you have it. You have successfully backed up your contacts on Gmail. If you found this tutorial helpful, please give this video a thumbs up and consider subscribing for more quick tutorials. Thanks for watching.